Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. GTA 5 Exploding Bullets. So the exploding bullets in GTA 5, you can only unlock them once you have unlocked it in the bunker. So go to your bunker, and right here, as you can see, I've already unlocked my explosive bullets. As you can see right here, that's the explosive bullets. It's a magazine. When you put in your sniper, it will become an exploding bullet. And you can equip them by going right here to your and you can equip them by going to your vehicle right here, then going down to your sniper, then click on the magazines and click on the explosive one. And when you have equipped that, you can go out of your vehicle, then try it out. And there you go. That's the GTA 5 explosive bullets. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.